at least like you're 12 inches above the your meat. 12 inches above your meat. But anyway, hey, so go ahead and season with this. Boom. Hey, pause on that. I didn't mean it like that. You know what I'm saying? I was meaning to say, as men, with 12-inch meat, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be above 12 inch. There we go. Like I said, man, we're gonna keep seasoning the meat. Boom, boom, boom.
DC what they call me and I'm always by my dough. DC what they call me and it's motherfucker hoe. DC what they call me, I say it how it is. DC what they call me, yeah, nigga, I'm with the shit. DC what they call me and I'm always by my dough. DC what they call me.
What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome to another video. This is gonna be one of many to come videos like this. I'm gonna call this Cooking with Crush. So this is Cooking with Crush, episode 1, how to cook a steak. You know what I'm saying? So today I'm gonna teach y'all how to cook a steak. I can actually make this video really, really fast, probably like in 1 minute, like you see other videos, but I'm trying to make this entertaining for y'all. I don't wanna just put out some 1 minute video and it's just boring. I wanna give you guys some good content to watch. Something entertaining, you know what I'm saying? So, Cooking with Crush, episode 1, how to cook a steak. If you go on my Instagram and you go to my highlights, you'll see a highlight that's called I Cook. Because nigga, I be cooking. You know what I'm saying? So today, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you how to make a steak. Steak, nigga. As soon as I find my lighter. But, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all, well, I'm gonna show y'all the steak in a second. It's a big steak too, ain't a little baby steak. Real man steak. Let me go ahead. First thing you gotta do, just gotta turn the grill on. You know what I'm saying? Gotta light the fire. I can't find my dang lighter. Hold on, y'all. Let me find my lighter because I don't know where my lighter at. Check out the vibes, though. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this in my own, but the vibes. I got my setup right. Everything's set up right now because I'm about to actually do a reaction video, and I'm actually about to do some video editing to bring you guys some car content. It is Saturday. I did promise you guys to have some car content this weekend, and I'm gonna keep my promise, nigga. Gonna keep my promise. First things first. Step 1. Light the fire. Before I get to this, check out the drip, bro. Check out the. Y'all know what these are, man. I didn't know these came out. These are some Huarache drifts. You know what I'm saying? It's a little something light. Something light, man. You know what I'm saying? Something just a little light. But anyway, so first things first, step 1, light the grill. Hopefully y'all know how to stack these. I always stack mine in a pyramid. Step 1 is complete. Alright, so I got the fire going right there as y'all can see. You can see it from the window, you know. So, as our fire's going, I'll show you how to go ahead and season the steak. Cause you gotta season it first. Guys, season. If you ain't seasoning your steak, I don't know what you're doing with your life right now. This right here is my favorite one. As you can see, it's my favorite one. You can't go wrong with this right here. These seasons like about $3 at Walmart, by the way. I got this one. You know what I'm saying? I think I've used this like once. Or no, more than once, you can tell. But that one's pretty good. And then I have this one right here. Now I don't use this one too much, but I'll be using this a little more. And sometimes I put this on my burgers. That's seasoning. So we're gonna go with this one today, man. We're gonna go with this seasoning today, and I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna do that. All right, y'all. So anytime you're making anything dealing with meat or cooking, the first thing you want to do is wash your hands, nigga. So we're gonna wash our hands right now. Cause some of y'all be nasty. That's why I can't be eating everybody's food. Cause I'll be wanting to make food and not wash your hands and dig it in your butt and your nose and touch the chicken and throw it in the fryer and just gonna get the germs. Get out of here with that. So that's first thing first. Wash your hands, man. Alright, next thing we need to do is get the steak. I'm gonna show y'all this big old steak that I got. Do y'all see this steak? Y'all see how big this steak is right now? I don't know how much weight this was. I don't know, I already threw the packaging away. But it's a big steak, bro. Comparison. This is my phone. You know what I'm saying? This is my phone. You see the comparison in size? Now I gotta wash my hands again because I touched my phone. Damn. So got steak and chop seasoning, you know what I'm saying? Gonna throw some parsley. white pepper. Y'all gotta stop sleeping on this, man. Get some white pepper. And the first thing I'm gonna hit on this is gonna be the white pepper. And when using white pepper, it's powdery, so you gotta be careful with this stuff, man. Boom, 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 boom. Just one thin layer, that's it. You don't need too much. Boom, let's get it going. Pretty much when I use my steak seasoning, just put to your desire. Obviously, you can always over season your meat, but I know how I like my season. I've never had any complaints on how I season my meat. This little opening part too, this little part right here, hit some on there, so back. Like I said, I like my steak seasoned. Hit it with the parsley. Come on, parsley. Make sure it's sticking to the meat. Bam, season. We're gonna flip this over. Now we're gonna do the other side. Same thing. Make sure you're probably about 12 inches away from the meat when you season this. You don't want to, you never want to season it like this close, because you're gonna over season it. At least that you're 12 inches above the your meat. 12 inches above your meat. But anyway, hey, so go ahead and season with this. Boom. Hey, pause on that. I didn't mean it like that. You know what I'm saying? I was meaning to say, as men, with 12-inch meat, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be above 12 inch. There we go. Like I said, man, we're gonna keep seasoning the meat. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, I like my steak seasoned. You probably cringing like, dang, nigga, how much seasoning you gonna put on that? As much as I want, bitch. This extra stuff right here, go ahead and rub it into the corners, the middles. Throw in the outside where fat is. Use all this seasoning. No waste, no seasoning. That's how you get your steak flavorful. Bam. Steak is seasoned now. Alright, so now that we got our steak seasoned, we're gonna go ahead, make sure we clean out the edges so none of this stuff onto our refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? If you got any juice, make sure you clean the edges, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Clean them nice. Throw in the refrigerator until the grill is ready. When the grill is ready, we're gonna pull out the refrigerator because we don't want to just let this sit out in the air. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to let this get room temperature really. We just want to keep this nice and cool, so we're gonna throw this in the refrigerator. Okay, see the refrigerator right behind the camera. Alright, boom, so it's in the refrigerator. Now let's go see how our grill doing. See if the grill is ready to put the meat on, you know what I'm saying? Put the meat on the grill. You know what I'm saying? Put that meat on there, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's nasty.
It's the sound of perfection right here. Never mind, it's not warm enough yet. There it is.
"11 minutes later."
Hey man, can next pep like 5 minutes or so. That's how we doing. So that should go. It's oozing. Ooh. That blood coming out. Sorry, flip it though. Yeah. It's probably gonna for like about 5 minutes. So cook the other side like this will probably be about medium rare. Look at that. Look how good that looks, man. That looks delicious. So we got the biscuits in there. You know what I'm saying? The thing should be good in a second. We better get this steak though. You know what I'm saying? Should be ready. This light does no justice. So we're gonna take this inside and show y'all this delicious looking steak. Look at that. Tell me that don't look how big the plate is, look how big the steak is. Tell me that don't look fire. That's the steak. We gotta cut it open. I know y'all wanna see it cut open so y'all can see how it got cooked. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that for you right now. Here's a finished product, guys. I actually have some biscuits cooking. Don't mind my hands, I've been washing my hands the whole time. So sorry for my actual little hands. But anyway, cut this open so y'all can see what it looked like. I probably cooked this for about 15 minutes in total. Do y'all see this, man? Do y'all see how well cooked that is? Oh my gosh, look how well cooked that is. Oh my gosh. Cooked to perfection. It's the head, man. Oh my gosh. Like mine. Some people like that. If you want yours cooked more, you can just cook it a little longer on both sides. I want mine cooked medium well, so I would still want to have like a little pink in it. Not as much as bloody, but pink. It's good, y'all. Take a bite of this. Oh my gosh. That though. That's like. Look at that. Tell me that don't look good. Oh my gosh. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. That's how you cook a steak. You know what I'm saying? The Crush way. This DC way. You know what I'm saying? If you want some more videos like this, make sure you guys hit the like button. You feel me? Like, share, subscribe. I'm not finished eating this. I ain't about to do no low outro. I'll see y'all next episode. Deuces.